In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create and play a game I call Stick It in the Dough. And this game is super quick and easy to make. It's really great for practicing your multiplication facts, and it's really useful for helping to master them. So first, you start with some extra jumbo craft sticks. Then you get yourself some circle labels such as these. And the first thing that you'll do is place a label at the top of your craft stick. As you see here, I have the multiples of 3. So whatever multiples you would like, you will place it at the top of the craft stick. So for this, I'll make this a multiple of 2. So I'll place the 2 right at the top of my jumbo craft stick. Next thing I'll do, I'll take my labels and I'll cut them in half. The reason I'm cutting my labels in half is so that I can fit the multiples from 0 all the way to 12 on the craft stick. This just makes it super easy to place. So I'll place my label right here, and that would be for my 0. I'll continue placing my labels, place my second, and at the end, I'll have them all the way until I get to the last number, which will be, in this case with the 2's, 24. So then, you'll have something that looks just like this craft stick. Now, how you play the game? The game is really super easy to play. Each player starts out with the same multiple. In this instance, if it's 2 players, each player will have the multiples of 3. If it's 4 players, each player will have the multiples of 3. And the whole object of the game is to get 4 numbers consecutively in a row. So each player to begin with will start by clipping the 0. We all know the fact any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So that's considered a free space. Now the first player will roll the dice, the number cubes. In this case, I rolled a 12 and a 1. So I can decide I can either do 3 times 12, which is 36, or I can do 3 times 1, which is 3. I think I take 3 times 1. That makes it that much closer to me getting 4 in a row. So next player rolls, and then when it's my turn again, I roll again. And in this case, I rolled a 1 and an 8. I already have the 1, 3 times 1 covered, so I can't use that, but I can use 3 times 8, which is 24. And I'll clip that on the 24. And each player keeps rolling and playing until someone gets 4 numbers in a row. And over here, I have another variation on the game. This is the multiples of 10, from 10 all the way to 100. And it's played the same exact way. 2 to 4 players, 2 number cubes, numbered 1 through 6, and numbered 7 through 12. And in these cases, these cubes were $1 for 36, and I like to customize them myself so that it makes the play a little bit more interesting. And that's how you create and play Stick It in the Dough. Thanks for watching.